Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I melt my glueless wig. I'm not going to be using any glue whatsoever for this wig install, and it still looks melted. I promise you this is the easiest wig install ever. It is definitely beginner friendly. The wig that I'm wearing in today's video is from RPG Show. Everything that you need for wig application is included in the box. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It's a middle part wig, but you can obviously wear it in a side part as well, and it's a 13x6 frontal going down the center. However, there's not as much parting room I find on the actual side of the wigs, but this one is pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about the knots. You don't have to do anything to the wig. You can literally put it on straight out of the box. The wig has a built-in elastic band that you can adjust to wear it glueless. I'm going to go ahead and cut off that extra lace in the back because I don't need it. And I also cut the combs off on the side as well because I never ever use these. The only comb I'm going to keep is the one in the back because I use that to secure the wig in the back. I'm going to go in with the hair wax, and this is actually included with the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this hair wax on the top of the wig, and this is really going to help with the flyaway hair. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb and flatten this wig down because, you know, we don't want it to sit really high in the head and you don't want the flyaways. Now you can do this on your head also. I also apply the hair wax on the side to style the wig as well. Alright, so she's styled and I'm happy with it. Let's move on. My wig cap is already on, and I won't be doing the ball cap method because I'm not going to be applying any glue to install this wig whatsoever. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten the adjustment strap so the wig fits perfectly on my head. I told you guys this is the easiest application ever, so I'm just gonna pop that wig on my head, and that is pretty much it. We're done. No, I'm just kidding. So now we actually have to cut the lace off, and right now this wig is looking really good. I haven't done blonde in a minute, or blonde highlights, and I'm here for it. It looks great for summer. So I'm gonna take out these two little pieces in the front. This is definitely optional. You don't have to do that, but I like when my wig kind of have that V-like shape, like that hairline in the front, because I naturally have a widow's peak, so that's why I do that. So I'm gonna go in with my tiny baby scissors. You can also use the little eyebrow razor that I just showed you, but I personally prefer to use the scissors, especially when I'm cutting off the ear part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace in sections. So this lace is so thin, you guys. This is Swiss lace, and it's so thin. It was actually hard for me to see the lace, and as you can see, this is 4K we're filming in, and this lace looks absolutely amazing. So I just took some out at the outer corner of the wig just to cut off some of that extra hair because, again, I want to be able to wear this wig glueless. So that is why I'm cutting up that extra piece, because if it was hanging a little bit lower, it would have that floppy thing at the end. I don't even know if I'm describing that correctly, but it would kind of flop at the end, but I want it to fit like a glove on my head. So I'm just cutting away all that extra lace in the front, and as you can see, I kind of cut it like jagged. I'd never ever cut it straight, because if you cut it straight, honestly, the wig is just gonna look weird. So just cut it jaggedy, like how you see me using my scissors in that motion. And I already cut away half, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side as well. Alright, so all the lace is gone. She is looking good. I could just leave it like that, but I want it to look melted, okay? So I'm not gonna do any baby hairs. I'm just gonna do some little edges, but it's not gonna be baby hair. So I'm just cutting away some little tiny pieces. That's it. You don't have to do this. And I'm gonna go in with some hair mousse. Girl, you did use quite a bit there. You didn't need to do all that. But I'm gonna apply this on my edge brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing the edges on this wig. So I'm applying this. This is basically gonna be my glue. However, it's not glue. So if you're the type of person that you're planning on going to the gym, you might not want to do this. But this is for, like, you know, you're running out, you don't want to apply any glue, and you're not gonna get into no fight with nobody. Nobody's gonna be pulling your wig. But yeah, this is how she's looking. She looks nice and melted. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer to hide that wig cap. So I use a concealer that is a lot lighter. So this is what I use for my highlight, and then I'm gonna go back in with the wax stick just to style the wig up, give it a little volume in the front. So as you can see, apply a little bit in the front, and I'm gonna go in with that hot comb. Considering there's no glue, no melting product, this wig wig looks really nicely melted. If you're completely new to wig, I forgot to mention one step. So when I apply the mousse, I use a melting band. So you can use a hair scarf and just tie the wig down. And I tie this down for about 10 minutes, and that's why the wig looks nice and melted. As for the bobby pins, I use this in the back of my wig to secure it. And I'm just running the comb just so you guys can see that it is glueless. And look at that hairline. It's flawless. The lace is flawless. I love how this turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful, comment down below and let me know. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.